Energy. We subsist on it. Everything around us requires it. Industrial development has demanded more energy in the last 100 years than the entire history of human civilization accumulatively. We have become mainly reliant on coal and fossil fuels to meet the enormity of everyday demands. A reliance that has had dire consequences on our planet and its occupants. A reliance that requires change. At Sumling, we've changed the way we view and do things. And this change has given birth to a solution. That solution is biomass. Using waste product as an alternate form of fuel was just a matter of time. And so it began, the mass production of wood pellets, for which we've invested time, expertise, and resources to build up our biomass infrastructure. Consistent with our zero-waste philosophy, today we gather timber waste and harvest trees from our sustainable ITPs, all of which are fully certified to produce world-class pellets of superior quality and maximum efficacy. Why? Because wood pellets can burn as hot as coal. Wood pellets can equal the energy output of gas and oils. It's sustainable and renewable. It's cost-effective and low in emissions. Even better, biomass also stimulates socio-economic growth and spurs stronger income generation for smallholders. In short, biomass is a huge leap in the right direction. Has become a blueprint for a better tomorrow. It is a symbol of our pursuit for a greener planet. Built as a high-tech plant and research center, Tree 1 Mega Pellet obtained the prestigious and EU-recognized Sustainable Biomass Partnership SBP certification in March 2023. The SBP is a certification system for woody biomass that demonstrates that the biomass is both legally and sustainably sourced, in line with the circular economy of emissions by sourcing raw materials from our own certified forest plantations and producing a greener fuel source. We offset our production emissions, enabling us to achieve net zero status. The world needs a sustainable alternative energy source, and biomass is just that. It is time for a future refueled. Sumling, standing tall, standing for all.